So, how was it? Did you guys like it? We really hope you did because it took us many sleepless nights to create this video. We have really put in a lot of efforts and we really hope that it is visible in this video.
If you like it, please don't forget to like the video, comment below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Do it.
Yeah, this will really help us grow more and it will give us a lot of motivation to create more amazing content for the future. And once again, thank you so much for watching our video and we really hope to see you in the next one. Good luck.
Good luck. We took.
It took us.
मेरा वो connect नहीं हो पा रहा है. बड़ा पसंद करता है. So, how was it, guys? How was it? How was it?
Let us know how you, most importantly,
Do it.
give us a lot.